Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Delta Live tables for streaming pipelines, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Delta Live tables for streaming pipelines, start by logging into your Databricks workspace. Navigate to the Workflows section in the left-hand menu. Click on Delta Live Tables to access the Delta Live Tables interface. Select Create Pipeline to begin the setup process. Give your new pipeline a meaningful name to easily identify its purpose. Choose the streaming option to configure the pipeline for streaming data. Set up your data source by specifying the location of your streaming data, such as a directory or a message queue. Define the schema for your streaming data, ensuring it aligns with the source structure. Next, configure the table properties by specifying the target Delta table where the data will be stored. Adjust the storage location settings if you need to save the data in a specific location or format. Configure any necessary ETL logic by writing the appropriate SQL or Python code in the provided editor. Ensure that your transformations are optimized for streaming to achieve better performance during data ingestion. Set any required triggers for your streaming pipeline, determining when the data processes should occur. Review the configuration settings to confirm that everything is set up correctly. Once satisfied, click on the Create button to finalize the pipeline setup. After creating the pipeline, monitor its status to ensure that it is running correctly. Troubleshoot any issues that arise by checking the log output for error messages. Make adjustments to the pipeline configuration as needed to improve performance or resolve errors. Once your pipeline is successfully running, you can start processing streaming data in real time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.